The Mercedes team has been grappling with persistent issues for several years now, and the question arises, are these problems fixable, and can Mercedes regain their dominant form under the current regulations? The woes of the W15 chassis were starkly exposed during races like the one in Jeddah, where the car struggled notably in high-speed corners due to its rear wing configuration. While there are positive aspects to take from their recent performances, such as improved drag reduction and better straight-line speed, the underlying problems persist. One of the key issues plaguing Mercedes is their struggle with low downforce setups. While they opted for a low downforce rear wing, adapted from Monza's design, to enhance their straight-line speed, this compromise has its drawbacks. Tracks like Bahrain highlighted their vulnerability in high-speed corners, where the car exhibited bouncing and lacked stability. This compromise between different rear wing configurations is crucial, as it directly impacts the car's handling characteristics across different tracks. The team's efforts to address these weaknesses are evident, with changes made to the car's setup and even experimenting with different rear wing designs. However, the fundamental issue of inadequate downforce for high-speed corners persists, leading to compromised performance in crucial sectors of the race. Lewis Hamilton and George Russell have both expressed concerns about the car's instability, especially in challenging sectors like Sector 1 in Jeddah. The team's reliance on simulators for development and testing also raises questions about the accuracy of their simulations and their correlation with on-track performance. Reports of discrepancies in simulation data have surfaced, indicating potential challenges in accurately predicting the car's behavior under varying conditions. This issue extends to their collaboration with Aston Martin, as both teams share a wind tunnel, raising concerns about shared technical challenges. While Mercedes has shown resilience and adaptability in addressing these issues, the road to recovery is arduous. The upcoming races will be a litmus test for their improvements, as they strive to find a balance between straight-line speed and high-speed cornering stability. The ongoing battle with their inherent weaknesses underscores the complexity of Formula One engineering and the continuous pursuit of performance optimization. Looking ahead, the team's prospects for the season remain uncertain. While they possess the resources and expertise to overcome these challenges, it remains to be seen how effectively they can translate their efforts into on-track success. The upcoming regulations changes may offer a reset opportunity, but until then, Mercedes must navigate the current landscape with strategic optimizations and relentless development efforts. In conclusion, the journey back to form for Mercedes is a multifaceted endeavor that requires addressing technical deficiencies, optimizing setups for different track characteristics, and fine-tuning simulation capabilities. While the path ahead is challenging, the team's legacy and competitive spirit suggest that they will continue to strive for excellence and seek solutions to reclaim their position at the pinnacle of Formula One racing.